Welcome to Alaya and Ayzel channel.
Alaya Ayzel, look, a rainbow road. Wow, let's follow it.
Let's find the ABCs together.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bear with a sleepy head. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for duck,
Quack, quack, we heard her.
clap, clap, sing with glee. Come along and learn A to Z with Alaya and Ayzel. We laugh and play, learning letters every day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who sings a song. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat that sits so sweet. I is for igloo, cold and bright. J is for jelly, pink and light. K is for kite, up in the air. L is for lion with golden hair. Jump, twirl, sing with me. We're dancing through the ABC. With Alaya and Ayzel by your side, it's a happy alphabet ride. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for nest, swaying in the breeze. O is for owl with eyes so wide. P is for penguin on a snowy slide. Q is for queen, royal and proud. R is for rainbow, lighting up the cloud. S is for sun that shines all day. T is for tiger who loves to play. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, playing a sweet refrain. W is for whale, so big and blue. X is for xylophone, play it too. Oh. Y is for yak with fluffy feet. Z is for zebra, stripy and sweet. We've learned our ABCs, hooray! Now let's sing and dance all day. A to Z, we learned it all. Big letters, short ones, wide and tall. With Alaya and Ayzel, what fun we had. Learning letters makes us glad.
Alaya!
Great job, friends!
Let's do it again soon.
Bye-bye! Keep singing your ABCs. Ha 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 ha!